So normally this is how it starts. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, blah 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 blah. But today I'm exhausted, guys. My arms are killing me. Oh,
I just don't have energy for all that.
so yeah, as you can see in the description below, defining curls. I'm not sure if this is defined curls, but my hair is straight, right? So my hair is super straight. So actually, let me show you, because I'm gonna show you with this bit that I left how I think I curled my hair. So this is how my hair looks naturally. So it's like straight, right? So it doesn't give too much curls. So yeah, okay. I tried, guys. So this is all it gave. So these are the curls that I could get from my hair. It's a bit coily and stuff. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, let's start with this video and let me show you how I did it step by step. So I hope you like it. I hope you like it. So tell me if it's a fail on the comment below. So tell me if it's really fail or it's just how my hair defines its curls. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with my water. So my water is conditioner. So I'm just gonna first get it wet, right? Let's try to get this over there because this just so okay. And then after I used my Curl Chemistry buttercream. Curl Chemistry buttercream. It's so bright in here. So that's what I used, my Curl Chemistry buttercream. Just enough. And next I used my Eco gel. So just enough. So some people just use their hand and they just do that and like all they call their curls just do and then they curl up, but ooh, guys, my hair is something else, trust me. So this is how I coil the tip on my hair. Coil define. Okay, I think I'll coil my hair. Sorry. Just used to detangling my hair so much. curls, not really defined, but that's how my hair is. So there is my curls. So actually I'm just gonna wait for it to air dry and I'm gonna show you how it looks after. So I'll be back. So yeah guys, I couldn't wait for it to get more dry. I'm tired of waiting. So it's not completely dry, but yeah, it's almost there. So this is how my hair defines its curls. Yeah, I have nothing more to say. My hair is just stubborn. So, but yeah, but some are really curled. You know, like that like looks like a curl. You see that one looks nice. There we go. But then there's this kind that just like nope, I ain't curling up and all that. You see. So yeah, now I can say don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like. So tell me what you think about this video. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to push the notification button to get more of my videos. So I'll hopefully see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching my video, and yeah, that is how we get defined curls.
Failed.
But anyway, bye guys.
I begin to